Doing well, man. Hi everyone, this is Steven and this is...
Hey, I'm Simon. How are you going?
Hey Simon. Simon, what do you do for work, Simon?
I'm a mariner. I'm a pilot boat captain.
Okay, so basically something to do with driving a boat.
Driving a boat, that's right. Drive a boat to take it to sea. A constant thing that we keep bringing in the ships. Without us, the ships don't come.
Good.
Passenger ships, petrol tankers, oil tankers, gas tankers, and cargo ships.
Good. Okay, well today I'm very grateful that Simon agreed to participate in the 50 Gymmates in 50 week series, where we try to encourage everyone to come to the gym for any sort of exercises that they wish to do. And Simon, why do you come to the gym?
I've had a couple of injuries. One I had 10 years ago that keeps me coming to the gym just to keep it moving, basically.
Yeah, very good.
Keep myself fit.
I saw you do a lot of sort of leg-related workout.
I do a lot of physiotherapy, basically. I've just added exercises as I go to a new physiotherapist.
Yeah.
They give me more exercises, and I just keep adding that to what I do.
And how important it is to keep it up.
Absolutely. If I don't do it, my leg goes backwards. I can't hardly walk. I lose all the strength. So without the gym, I'd be in a lot of trouble. But it also makes me feel better.
That's good then. So yeah. how many times a week do you come?
About 6. That'll do. 6 times a week. Yeah.
Actually, Simon come a lot more than that, but he's just trying to be modest and say he's coming only 6 times a week.
Yeah, I come a bit. I live here. There's a bed out there.
Well, Simon, I just want to take the opportunity to acknowledge you being in a gym and being part of my gym, mate. I mean, you don't know what it means every time when I come see you in the gym itself. You know, if I come here and don't see you, it's like I'm not been to the gym yet. So.
Wow. Thank you.
So you are part of the motivation.
You're part of the reason I come as well. I get advice from you too. I enjoy your advice. So.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Well, yeah, like I said, really, and I really appreciate your presence here as well, and I really acknowledge you for that. Guys, if you want to see more video like this to keep you motivated coming to the gym, whether you're coming here for the fitness or you're coming here to recover from the injury, just keep coming, do it consistently, like what Simon here is doing, and he's looking great. Yeah, he's looking great.
You too.
All right, guys, I'll see you next time in the next video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Thank you.
How you going, Simon?
Sure. Anyway, I'm getting there. First day.
Really good. Doing well, man. Oh, man. You can see you're pushing it.
Simon is stretching. It's really painful, but he's still stretching. Let me show you where Simon is again. That's him. Look who is here. Simon, how you going? Didn't expect you to come on Sunday, but it's good.
Here again. I'm always here. Got a bed out the back. How you been?
Good, just finished my church, so. There you go, the usual sight. Seeing Simon cycling. That's how he's always. Simon here again.
injured the rotator cuff.
So how many sets do you normally do?
Yeah, I don't normally do sets, you just go until I can't do it anymore.
That's pretty much strengthening, isn't it?
More like maintaining.
Maintaining. Okay. You alright, Simon? All good? Well done.